Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. So this week I'm going to be doing a regional burger from LA, California that I heard about from a gentleman, goes by the name of George Moats. He's a burger historian and an author, and actually now he's a restaurateur, has a restaurant down in New York, over in New York, called Hamburger America. So he travels around trying different burgers, and this burger I'm going to be making, called the Marty's Combo, like I said, from LA. I think every state has a regional burger. Like mine is the burger from Eastside Big Tom's, which I actually did a local eats, drove down Olympia. I was actually looking for Morels, went to a park, got skunked, but on my way out I stopped and grabbed myself a burger. So let's get cooking. Alright, getting things going. I'm going to be making a no bean chili. This is just a third pound of ground beef because it's going on top of the burger. And I got my meat going. Throw in some salt. Alright, so this burger is actually supposed to come with hot dogs, but because the challenge for the month is sausages, I picked up these garlic and cheese sausages at the store. Alright, I want to butterfly these open like so. Alright, so I don't actually have a recipe for this. I just was going by what he said in the video. The tomato paste, water, and then some chili seasoning. But instead of water, I'm going to use a little bit of chicken stock, which I warmed up in the microwave. I thought I had some beef stock, but I don't. Probably turn that down. Get that stirred around. I can add a little paprika. It's not going to make a lot, which is what the plan was. I'll probably have half for tonight, then the other half for tomorrow, and then chili powder, probably about a tablespoon. And the rest of my garlic powder. Now, if you want onions in here, by all means, put some onions in. I'm not going to opt for beans this time, but I mean, you certainly could add them if you wanted to. You can really add whatever you want to this. You know, if you like it spicy, add some peppers. If you want some onion, you know, add onion. There's no rules. Add a little bit more salt. Alright, it's looking how I wanted it. I wanted to give it a little taste though. Oh yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm good with that. All right, I'm gonna get a couple of buns ready for the broiler because I always toast my buns. Get my ground beef prepped. So I'm just gonna cut that in half. Get my dogs going. Pan's still kind of warming up, but that's alright. It won't affect the dogs at all. Alright, get these under the broiler and watch them like a hawk. Alright, so I watch a lot of, I watch a few cooking videos and Pro Chef Reacts, whatnot. And they were talking about try not to handle your meat too much. So we're gonna just put it in there square. All I did was cut it. And then the trick that I found for smashing a burger is that you put them in for just a few until it just starts to crust a bit. Then you flip it. and then you smash it. That way it doesn't stick to the spatula. Put my hand over there. And there we go. Oh, crap. Gotta check my buns. Don't want to burn my buns. Go ahead and flip these guys over. Now these sausages are pre-cooked. They're just, all I'm doing is heating them up, so. Oh, and just a little bit more salt. Nope, might have oversalted that one. Alright. Give these guys a flip. I did make a little bit of a mistake a little bit ago. I pushed them again while they were cooking, and I shouldn't have done that because you can push out all the juice, and you don't want to do that. So that was my bad. I don't recall it being on there, but I'm going to add a little bit of mustard to the bottom because I like it. I need to add my cheese. What I like to do is I like to kind of break the cheese in half so it's not hanging off the sides of the burger. I like it just up to the edge. So when it leaks over the side and it starts to cook off, it's, you know, you're losing cheese. Alright. Alright, we're looking awesomely melted. And then of course they get the sausage on top, which almost slid off the burger. Wow, come on. Work with me here, buddy. And then this one here. Oh, damn it. So, there we go. And we'll move over to the chili. Well, I guess you could air quotes chili, but top it with the chili seasoned ground beef, I guess you could call it. I'm gonna heat up the rest for tomorrow's dinner. We'll go with the top of the bun. Alright, there we go. Marty's combo. Okay. Now, if you actually go down to Marty's and you do order this, oops. Theirs is a double burger, but because I used 2 buns, I made one individually because I don't have any other sides. I don't have any fries or anything because my side is another burger. Get this taste. Oh man. Wow, with that sausage on there, with the garlic and the Gruyere cheese. Highly recommend giving this a try. I found the sausages, they should be at most supermarkets, but I got it at Fred Meyer, which is a Kroger store. Phenomenal, really good. cheesy, nice flavors, very tasty. Yeah, I'd make this again. In fact, this will be dinner tomorrow night too. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday would be down below. Sean Chevalier has been putting mine in there, plus other people's in there. So if you're looking for even just dinner ideas, add that playlist and give it a check. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.